blow these things up. Well, there it is, guys. Let's do this. We gotta properly show off the parrot and the alligator. Let's do this. Alright guys, here we go. Maineiac scientists are just about ready to go down the river. And it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be epic. And I am here with
College's Workshop.
College's Workshop. Alright, my friend Jacob here lives, just across the pond. Alright, so we're going to go down the river I'm going to use my tube with my cooler with the food in it. And then I'm going to ride the alligator down the river. And then, Jacob, what are you taking down the river?
Beautiful flamingo slash parrot. Head's like a flamingo, body's like a parrot.
And then he has the tube with the bottom in it, and we have the cooler in that one too. So we got 2 small coolers for food, and then we got an extra tube just in case we don't know what's going to happen. So we're going to do that. But alright guys, we're just about ready to go down the river. We're just going to put, there was about a truck, but hey, we're going to put it in the truck, and then we're going to haul him to the river, so we got to get him all loaded up, and then we'll hit the river.
If you're watching for this to be on a Epic Fails collage video list.
It'll be fine, nothing's going to go wrong. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Woo!
Can't make some duct tape poppers for the cooler.
Don't break my cooler!
Get the whole squeak rattle thing going.
Oh, that's sticky. Look what we got to fit all this stuff in, guys. That tiny little thing right there.
Tiny little thing.
Oh, we're going to fit everything in there.
We're the prize, people. We have a Ford. We're never going to make it to the river.
We're not. Hey, look, alligator fits in there. Great! Let's go get the other stuff.
GMC.
Boy.
GMC.
Toyota.
Okay. I'll handle the flamingo.
No, I understand, that's fine. I'll grab your cooler so I can ruin his. Woo!
Yeah, you just gotta.
Don't worry, we're loading all this way, Mom. We're loading all this way, this is fun. Probably, it might, but... Yeah, we will. We'll bring it back to track. Oh, we barely got the flamingo in there. Oh my. We're supposed to get this fish. Going. Right. Alright, I guess you're grabbing it. Ow. We need anything else?
I don't think so.
We got the rope in the back of the other one. Tie him down.
Do this. You gotta get Rick. For Geico.
What'd you say?
Rick for Geico, man.
Alright guys, we're just about to get down the river. There's some construction on the bridge, so we'll make another video when we get on the water, away from them, so it'll be a little bit quieter. We'll see you then. Alright guys, we made it on the river! This is so epic! Alright, we got the construction crew in the background staring at us. I think we're the craziest things. I couldn't imagine why. We got Jacob. I gotta get to the angle here. We got Jacob on the flamingo. We gotta wave, bud. You gotta wave. Wave. Backwards wave. Backwards wave. I'm on the alligator. I am soaked because this alligator is really not working the best, but we're okay. We got our food. As long as we got our food, and I think we're good. Are you okay? You getting
Yeah, okay, we're good.
water in there?
I saw that gap in the scene. I was like, whoa, the scene's splitting.
Oh, we got so many extra tubes. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're just gonna enjoy the
sandwiches.
ride. And we'll probably tune back in when we're eating. What do you think about that? Or
Sooner,
if we see any wildlife. Down
We
here.
are the wildlife.
We are the wildlife. We got an alligator. Alligator in Maine. Bet you never thought you'd see an alligator in Maine before. Oh, man. No, there seriously is a giant beaver up here. Don't Don't really know how he's gonna act around us, but we got an alligator, so I think alligator beats the beaver, right?
Rock, paper, alligator is...
Rock, paper, alligator. Hopefully I don't lose the phone.
No.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we just made it back from the river. Sorry, my phone was full on space. Oh, what a mistake, but it was a lot of fun. And we survived. We only popped one tube on the way back, and we know why that happened. That was really our fault. But if we weren't fooling around, it wouldn't have popped. It would have been fine. But the flamingo, excuse me, parrot, lasted fine. It worked out great, and that was quite the adventure. What was that?
Our final conclusion is, on every adventure, no adventure is complete without a Coke and funny bones. So, eat happy, be healthy.
Smile more. Okay. But, yeah. We should build a water slide next time.
Definitely. We can do this.
No, we're gonna start from where we ended because we didn't do the full journey like we said we were gonna do. We only did, like, what did you say, a little bit more than half of that?
Yeah.
I think. So next time we're probably gonna go from where we ended to the bridge, and I'd like to get an air mattress.
And this time we'll make sure that we have memory.
Memory, yes, for the camera, because this was embarrassing. It was awful. It was really bad. Terrible. But yeah, we'll get it.
There'll be more crossovers to come, folks.
There will be!
It's just the beginning of the beginning.
Beginning of the beginning. You heard it from the old codger. Oh man, alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching this crossover.